Uig Bay on a very midgy-ridden Tuesday, the 20th of July 2026. Bro. Gonna go fishing at a new mark today. Basically going to try the lures, but in case the lures didn't work, I decided to come down and dig myself a wee dozen worms and scraped a wee amount of mussels off the rocks there. Also set a crab trap. You want to come and see my crab trap? My crab traps are pretty basic. See, the tide's coming in quite a bit. Rushes in really fast at low water here. Some smashed up mussels in the bottom of a bucket. There's tiny wee holes in the bottom of the bucket so it doesn't float away, and a big rock. And then I just sort of build a pyramid of rocks round about it. See the ripples there? Right, I saw that out the corner of my eye. That was a sea trout of the £1.50 nature. That was 2 foot out the water. That's really fucking cool to see. I wish I'd come down with my spinning rod and not my fucking digging fork now. By one crab trap, one sea trout, one bonny view. And one hammy with too much coffee in them too early in the morning.